Hi everyone, welcome back to Microsoft Excel formula class. And this video we are going to focus on conditional analysis of data. A condition is a value or expression that returns true or false. And we are going to learn use of if function plus average function together. Here is the data with the column heading of city and January 15, Feb 16, March 17, April 18, May 19, June 20. These are the months, and here are the cities, and these are the prices of utility bills, utility services. Say it is the price of an electricity unit. So these are the electricity unit prices, and we want to analyze this to find out that whether the price like from the Karachi city, to see whether it is low or high average wise. So we in one formula want to make the average of this data and then get the analyzation and get the result of low or high. So this is our task today. So if I click here in the Karachi, so the formula is that if 7 greater than average, and then the range of this data from C7 to C15, and this is an absolute reference. This dollar sign is making this cell reference is an absolute reference because it will not change if we drag it downwise. So the range will be remain the same, and the city will these prices the C7 and will change to C8 and C9, C10 here. For example, in this next row it is C7, and in the next row it is C8, and the rest of the range is the absolute reference. It's not changing. We want in this formula from Microsoft Excel to find out the average in this range and then see whether it is from this average figure the value in the C8 is high or low. This is the job of this formula. So we can see that the Karachi city is on the low side, Hyderabad is on the low side, Sakkar is on the low side, Karachi is on the high side in the result of this formula. So if we want to check that whether it is right or correct. So I would rather do one thing, that some of the row are hidden and this sheet, and it is now shown, and this is the average. We made the average of this data with the average function, so we can see that the average is 3.661 and the Karachi is 3.586. So it is low, it is correct. Comparatively to this 3.661, if we see the Hyderabad, it is also low. 3.61 is also low because here is 3.66, and the Lahore is 3.761, and here is 3.66, and Lahore is on the higher side. So in this every line we have applied the same formula and showing us in a glance that the price in the average is on the higher side or on the lower side. So as we proceed in our this formula class lesson, our formula is getting slowly and gradually little bit complex and complicated, but no problem if we found the rules of the Microsoft Excel formula rules then we don't need to worry, our formula will surely work. So if we want to move, if we move to the another sheet,